Evening, ladies and gentlemen.
What could I say after it's done?
Хранить деньги в сберегательной...
What is up, guys? So welcome back to our YouTube vlog. Today is a Saturday. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Ayala Malls, Manila Bay Basement 2 for Sneaky Mods 10th anniversary. Isipin nyo guys, since 2016, 2026 na, 10 years na Sneaky Mods. First of all, thank you sa invite for inviting me dito sa meet nyo. Congrats on reaching 10 years. Grabe, 10 years. Parang halos kasabay lang din ng ever since mag-start yung Sneaky Mods. Nauna lang kayo lang ng mga few months lang. Congrats guys. Just wanna give some shoutouts to Mousetrap sa mga bap ko dyan sa Pampanga. Thank you for sending this one over. Ayan, represent Mousetrap. Mousetrap, sobrang lupit. If you guys need shirts, you can order sa Mousetrap like this one. Available to. Just message them. Lagay ko na lang yung links ng Mousetrap sa baba. And if di pa kayo nagsusubscribe nga pala guys, subscribe na kayo para nakikita ko 80%. Mag-subscribe na kayo. Please. Yeah. So without further ado, let's check out the builds here sa Sneaky Mods. Basement 2, Ayala Malls, Manila Bay. Let's go! So let's start with the builds here sa Sneaky Mods. So currently dito tayo sa pababa, galing Basement 1. So matadaanan nyo muna yung 11-18 bago kayo makapunta dito sa Sneaky Mods na event. Na event. Sobrang okay talaga pag Basement 2 kasi umulan, umaraw, we're safe here. Pero yung ayoko lang dito sa Basement 2, sobrang init. Sobrang init pag dito sa Basement 2 nagpapamit. Yun lang, parang niluluto ko. Init. Siguro napaka-humid pag dito sa Basement 2 kasi kulob. Yeah, but we're still thankful to Ayala Malls Manila Bay for letting us do meets here sa Ayala Malls Manila Bay. Let's check out the builds. Okay, so unang-una sa pila. Today is is March 7. So T37 day ngayon. Nakati itong Wigo na to. Siguro start muna tayo with this row and then second row dito kasi 2 full rows yan. Doon yung main event, dito yung parang other guests. Merong City, South Beach colorway. Ayan, super low. Shout out to Bounce, Luxury. Grabe naman yung fitment na ito. Sobrang baba. Tok! Bumabali ng leeg. That's right. Bounce, Luxury, be the lowest of the low. Honda, City. Very nice. And merong Hilux dito. Ayan. On T37 also. Ayan. T37 day today is officially the T37 day. In-announce na ng mga Hapon. And this Altis, Pogi Altis. Naka T37 din. Beautiful, underrated Altis. Pogi ng Altis na to. Yan shout out to Sneaky Mods. Thank you sa invite, boys. May onigiri siya dito. Altis. Ganda. Wapo. Save the manual. Manual na Altis. Pogi rin. Vios. Then we have here Mitsubishi Adventure on VIP wheels Euroline. Pogi naman ito. Dapat ng mags. Big body dito. Ganda, ganda. Some of the cars here example, ito, nakita natin ito sa GT Meet, Fuckboys player na to. Nakakatawa pa rin, Fuckboy player. Ito ata yung medyo modelong Altis na. Ganda rin. Euro. Yan yan, tindigan, boy. Hello. Ganda ng goma, ganda ng ganda ng mag. We have a Subi here. Then this one, yung Altis, nakita rin natin sa GT Meet. Pogi. Super red. Monster. Dito nga pala yung Monster Energy. Sponsor ng event ng Sneaky Mods. Complete on, ride, seats, sa belt. Altis Club. Altis Club ZZ. Ah, okay. So, stock nga niya yung ZZ. Di ko lang sure kung 1cc or 2cc. Sana ma-interview natin yung owner. Sana makita ko. Sobrang ganda. Altes. And this one, ano to? Accord? Accord? Domani? So, Accord niya, Accord. Ganda. Ganda ng mags. DS2. Sparkle. Okay. Bagay din. Good fitment. Patong lang. And may mga nagdadatingan pa. Civic. Mga race car. Mga race car ba to? Ano? Kia Sandra. Brembo. Vios. Mga race car nga. Autocross. Dito sa Civic. Ito may Altis ulit. Ford. Vios. 3.5. Super low. Then mga big boys. Ayan. Land Cruiser. LC80. Ano? BF Goodrich. No. Nice to have. Nice to have. Yeah, Sneaky Mods, Auto Europa. Beautiful Land Cruiser. Then beside the Land Cruiser is a Montero with some nice set of wheels, work, and BBK. Nakita ko na rin ata ito sa sa stand. Nice set of wheels, work, disc brake, harap likod. Yan. Ganda. GR Yaris to. Dito cross. Oh, Yaris. Yeah, oh. Another one. Yaris cross. Yun. Grabe. All out. Grabe naman yung preno na ito. Oh. Laki. Hindi good. T37. Race all out. Yaris cross. You know. Thumbnail. Pack. Sana ma-interview rin natin itong owner nito. Ganda ng build niya. Lagi ko nakikita pero di ko alam kung sino yung may-ari. Then we have here a Vios. Shout out to Clean Culture. Meron siyang badge from Clean Culture. And plate frame. Oh, ganda rin ng plate frame yun. Aesthetic Toyota. Hindi rin nga pala yan. T37. And then may booth din pala ang Stick of Manila. Over here. Dito yung Moto ni Kenzo. Yan yung Honda City. Super low, of course, super low on emits. Stick of Manila. So let's check out ang mga binibenta dito. So if you guys need stickers for your car, mga pickers, ito si Kashi, si Itachi, Turbo Granny of Dan Dadan. Kanina meron na akong nakuha si Triren, si Gengar. If you guys need stickers, bili kayo. Stick of Manila. Let's go. Support local. And over here, we have the Yarises. Third gen Yarises. Always present din to sa meets. Lagi natin to nakikita. Ayan, mga naka-T37 parehas. Isang mas bago, isang mas luma, mga T37. Mga Yaris boys din yan. Beautiful build. Napakagandang build ng Yaris. Yun nga pala, nalimutan ko, may Genesis. We have a Vios Gen 3, Advan. Sumasali rin ng Super Sprint, Grupo Toyota. Shout out to Grupo Toyota. Then we have here mga race boys. Yan, race squad boys. Shout out to race squad. Meron pa tayo guys sa website natin. Ganda na ito Human made. If you guys still remember, meron tayong collab with Race Squad. So, I think meron pang isa. May naiiwang isa na lang na collab shirt with Race Squad. You can check it out on our website. Doon, parang XL ata Ganda ng plate frame naman. Race Squad. Look at this. Beyond Dominance. Baka ng subs na dalawa Big amp. Full on sounds. Bass heads Manila. Nice set of wheels. First Meister. All out, boys. Ganda. Ito pa. Mga madidiin magbuo ng rage. Ganda rin na ito Very TFZ ata to. 18s. Ano sticker? Yan yung mga range. Ito rin ng ano, yung white, may chin. Ano yung chin to? White on white. Pogi. Yan ito. Yung front nung raised na white na may sounds. Workmeister. Isa. Nakikita ko na rin to eh, I think sa GT. Yan ang preno niya. Disc brakes, aras. Nice. Dito na tayo sa parang ano, second row naman ng Sneaky Mods 10th anniversary. Meron dito Mirage, Vios, then dito may Crown. Toyota Crown. Nakasabay ko to kanina eh, sa Skyway. Dito rin pala punta niya. Ganda. Super low. Guys, look at that. Super low. Ayan natin yung likod. Super black tint. Grabe naman sa tint. Super itim. Custom Misfits. Crown, yan. Toyota Crown. Beautiful. Toyota Crown. Another side profile. Ayan. Pogi. Napaka-pogi. Yan yung Yaris natin. Huwag na yan. Pangit yan. We have a big body, touring face. Ayan. Ano, shoutout to Grupo Toyota. Pogi rin na ito eh, no? Ganda rin. Ganda ng speaker nyo, oh, Kenwood. Clear. May ever since siya na, rare na to ah. Thank you, boss. Manila Street Chronicles X ever since na plate frame. Nice build. Pogi talaga pag white, tapos clear. CSP. Dito rin yung AAP. Andito yung booth ng Makina Cafe. Ayan. Guys, if napadpad kayo sa may Paranaque area, you can visit Makina. Paranaque, no? Tama. Ayan, you can visit Makina Cafe. Ayan, sponsor sila ngayon ng Sneaky Mods. Then, may mga shirts din silang available. Ito, local brand, Breakneck. Ayan. And they also have their personal items na for sale like this. Mug, shirts also, ayan, meron sila. Pero meron silang physical shop sa Paranaque. You can visit Makina Cafe, ayan. Hello po. Yun yung owner ng Makina Cafe. So, dito naman yung ano, yung demo car ng Clean Builds. Ayan. Mr. Clean Builds. White. Lahat white. Plate frame white. Logo white. Yan o. Subaru. Okay. Of course. E37. To complete it. AP Racing Silver. AP Racing Silver din sa harap. PBK. Ganda. White and silver. Ito mga Subaru. Yan. Subi Boys. Nandito yan. GD Boys. GD Fit Aria na platform. Ito, isa rin to sa mga ano eh, underrated builds pagdating sa pagkukotse dito sa atin. Very few lang nagbubuo ng ganitong ano eh, platform. Pero if you build it right, napaka-pogi. Para siyang fit din eh, na pinahaba. So parang ito yung Vios nila, tapos yung Yaris nila yung Jazz. Yan, Fit Aria. So, sobrang daming goodies rin na ito eh. Tapos ito, feeling ko to, ito rare to kasi ito wala eh. Ayan o, wala silang rear wiper. So feeling ko, ayan, isa sa mga rare parts for this platform. Rear wiper. And Fit Aria. Look at the interior. Sobrang ganda. Ganun siya yung parang yung cortina. Yung nilalagay sa seats. Then, nice set of wheels. Ano ba ito? Compare. Version 1. And then, ito yung makina niya. Hindi ako masyado familiar with the Honda platform eh. Pero, ganda. Ganda na ito. Ganda na ito. Gas station power. Si Asimo Honda ayan dyan. Then meron ditong Vios. Full on sound display. Naka-woodworks. You know. Daming sounds. And the color is Very popping. Parang stabilo. Interior niya guys. Engine bay full of titanium.
Next, bring me.
Kit
Private
racing.
namin is umbrella from
Nag-raffle na sila
Bro
dito.
Thunder. Bro Thunder, so bring me.
We have a Land Cruiser dito and Defender. Urban Defender. Big boys. You know. Then you have the M3 Touring of 1180. Yan, dito sa basement 2. Super pogi. And for everybody, Adro, naka-Adro kit ata to. Jimny, KNK-ERV, E36-ERV. Then we have another Subaru, but a different take on the Subaru Forester build. Is rocking some wheels to. Pro drive, ayan. With case and disc brake also at the back. And carbon. Side skirt, wow. Carbon bits. Carbon diffuser. Ganda rin. Pogi, oh. Carbon cladding. Pogi. Carbon side mirror. Carbon boot. Carbon vent. Yan, carbon grill, carbon chin. Ganda, pogi. Naka-racing seats din pala. We have here Suzuki Fit. Ayan. Ito, nakita ko to nung 1118 meet. Ayan, sticker to. Ayan, naalala ko to coaching to. Suzuki Ertiga, ayan. So, very few rin nabubuo na ito. But if you build it right, pogi rin. Ayan, no? Look at that. Anong kits kaya? Suzuki Sport. Pa-work emotion siya na wheels. Then we have here Ed's Zephyro wagon with the banana wheels. And look at that. Pogi with the juicy fruit double mint calipers. Johnsky's Brio Gen 1. Lari siya, no? Sobrang gustong-gusto ko talaga to, Gen 1. If mag-Honda ako, ito, isa sa mga choices ko to. Brio na Gen 1. Sobrang ganda talaga ng taillight niyan. Ito talaga yung gusto ko. Itong part na to. Kasi yung Yaris parang ganyan rin eh, may bilugan. And we have a Gen 1 Yaris in white. White on white. Yan, Civic, Ferio, BIRS. Another Altis. Lamb, Vios, on BBS. Super wide lip, by the way. Siguro mga Byton yan. Vios, Gen 3, Pogi. Whoa! Stage 21, JDM Underground. Mags niya, C28 on endless brakes. Wow. Naka-air kaya to? Parang naka-air. Naka-air nga. Fitment Engineering. Super low. Vios. Wigo. Ayan. Wigo Swift. Ito pogi ng Swift. White and blue. Anodized blue. Wigo. And another Wigo doon sa dulo. Okay guys, so I think that's about it for the 10th anniversary of Sneaky Mods. So sana nag-enjoy kayo sa vlog natin for today. Guys, abangan nyo, may full review tayo netong review na to. Basta siguro sa next week na ma-upload to episode na to, meron tayong full episode dito. Abangan nyo na lang. Toyota Revo yan, boys. If umabot kayo sa part ng video na to, you can comment down below Sneaky. Yun, Sneaky. Comment down below Sneaky para alam kong nanood kayo from start to finish. And if you guys wanna buy our merch, ng Eversince merch, pero ito sold out na to. Mga lumang collection na to ng Eversince. Pero meron pa tayong mga available na hats on our website. It's www.eversince-streetclub.com. Don't forget the dash, baka saan kayo mapunta. And as always, this has been Jerome Monasio. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next vlog. Jane! Nakapag-take out pa nga ng Monster Energy. Isang pink energy juice at tatlong blue. Thank you, Sneaky Mods.